Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the fourth lecture of SST class 3rd. Today our topic is delicious foods. What is food? What is food? Do you know? Food is any nutritious substance that we eat or drink in order to maintain life and growth. Any nutritious substance that we eat or drink in order to maintain life and growth. Food is usually of plant or animal origin. Food is usually of plant or animal origin. The kind of food we eat affect our health. As far as our country, India, is concerned, we know it's a very large country with diverse culture. So there are different types of people with different physical features of land masses, different cultures and different traditions of the people. So the food we eat is also different in different regions. Every region has a different staple food or a different we can say that every region eat a different type of food depending upon the climate, depending upon the land mass, etc. Regarding food grains, wheat is very popular in northern and western India, while as in southern and eastern India, rice is very popular as a staple food. Wheat is very popular in northern and western India, while as in southern and eastern India, rice is very popular as a staple food. When we have a look at the oil, people of western India use groundnut oil. People of southern India use more of coconut oil, while as the people of eastern India use more of mustard oil. People of western India use groundnut oil, people of southern India use more of coconut oil, and the people of eastern India use more of mustard oil. This is basically based on lots of coconuts being grown in southern India, groundnuts being available in western India, and mustard being available in eastern India. That's why the people of these regions use these oils. As far as pulses are concerned, most of the pulses, lentils, grams, are eaten all over the country. As far as pulses are concerned, most of the pulses, moong, arhar, urad, beans, etc., are eaten by almost all the people in the country. And these pulses are produced in plenty. And when we talk about spices, Kerala is known as the spice capital. Spices add flavor and color to the food, and spices are taken to the world stage by India, due to which India is also known as the curry capital of the world. Kerala is considered as the spice capital, as most of the spices are grown here. And as you know, these spices add color and flavor to our foods. When we look at vegetables and fruits, different fruits and vegetables are grown in different parts of the country, and some are seasonal vegetables and fruits. As popular winter fruits are orange, apple, guava, and grapes. Melons, mangoes, etc. are available in summers. And when we look at the vegetables, popular summer veggies are like ladyfinger, bitter gourd, cucumber, and carrot, turnip, radish, etc. are available in winters. The food we eat should be washed before eating. Some foods are eaten raw, while as most of the foods we cook. And then this food need to be transported from one place to another place. Because there are some foods or some we can say food items which are grown at some parts of the country and not on the other parts. So these foods need to be transported from one part to another part. Then we need to store that food so that we can use it for a longer time. Food is being processed from the raw, as we can't eat the paddy or groundnut like the way we get them from the fields. It needs to be processed. From paddy we get rice, and from groundnut we get groundnut oil. When these foods are processed, then only we can use them. And there are many food items which needs to be stored in a cold storage so that people can use these foods for a longer time. And the food is to be distributed. Some are seasonal foods and the regional foods. These foods need to be distributed from one place to another place. So, the food is any nutritious substance that we eat or drink in order to maintain life and growth. Food is usually of plant or animal origin. Either we get food from the plant or we get it from animal. As we know, India is a very large country with diverse culture, so different types of foods are being used by the people in different regions. Regarding food grains, wheat is main food of northern and western India, while as in southern and eastern India, rice is very popular. And about fruits and vegetables, these are seasonal. There are some vegetables and fruits which we use in summers and some which we use in winters. And regarding the spices, spices add color and flavor to our food, and Kerala is known as the spice capital, and pulses are eaten by almost all the people in the country and is produced in plenty. And there are different sweet dishes also eaten all over the country. Variety of sweets are eaten by people all over India, and the form and taste depends on the regional traditions. As you might be knowing that in West Bengal, Rasgulla is very popular. So, the sweets eaten by the people depend upon the regional traditions. This was all about the topic today. See you in the next topic. Till then, take care.